Okay, students, so today I am doing the practical in my mobile screen only, and you can see how I am getting the same interface as we used to get it in computer, right? So this is Windows 7. You can download Windows 8, Windows 10, Windows 7, so whatever. Okay, Windows whatever version you want. Sorry, Office, not Windows. Anyway, now we will do our practical, which was what? Find and replace. So I have written the paragraph, typed the paragraph, okay, and then here after writing I found that I have made two mistakes, like wherever I have to put old I have given gold. Okay, now I need to correct it. Okay, it is a small document, so I can go and correct, but what would happen if it has 10 pages, 20 pages, or 30 pages? It will be difficult, right? So what I will do, I will try doing find and replace. So for that, click on editing option under home, and from here we will click on replace. Okay, find, if we will click on find, only we can find or we can go to that word, but we cannot replace it with a new word. So we will click on replace option. Okay, replace. Now here for in the first box we will put which word to find. We need to find which word? Goal. And this word we need to replace with another word. What was that? Old. It should not be gold, rather than it should be old. So we will put the new word which we want to replace with old. Now we will have to click on replace all, because I want to replace two or how many gold words are there, all words I want to replace. But if you want to replace only one word, then you can click on only replace, but I want to do all, so I will click on replace all. Okay, so I'll try to click on replace all. Okay, click on okay. It has come a notification that completed the search of document and has made two replacement, because there were two goal which we want to make all. So click on okay and click on close. And here we can see that, here you can see in the second line, old colleagues and old neighbors. Before there was gold, now it is old. Okay, so this is your second practical, and here you want to take two screenshots for your practical file. First one, where after clicking this and after clicking on replace, when this will come, here you have to write both the words and then you have to take the screenshot. This will be your first screenshot. And second screenshot, when you will take after getting your output like this. When the output will come, you will see, you will put the cursor in the replace one of the replaced words, so that it get highlighted, and then you can take the screenshot. So two steps, so two screenshots. Okay students, so this is your next practical.